latest iPhone camera features with the recent iOS 14 update. We are going to show you only some features of the iOS camera app. The new features let you take pictures faster and control the exposure more easily. They can also help you hold still while taking night mode photos. These are all improvements that make it easier to use the camera app on iPhone. Okay, let's start. First, unlock your iPhone. Go to Settings. Open Camera.
One eternity later.
Once you have opened the camera, you can see many options. The first one is to record the video. You can choose any formats like 1080p HD or you can choose 4K. Here I have the iPhone XR and I can choose 4K 60 highest. And in slow motion I can choose at 1080p to 40. The next big feature is that a grid option. Like you will get the lines in the camera app and mirror front camera. If you enable the mirror front camera option, you will get the image will appear as you see yourself in the mirror instead of flipped as it is. In the camera app, you have got many new updates with the recent iOS 14 update. Now with the iPhone, you can change the aspect ratio of your picture directly in the camera app. Holding the shutter button and moving it to the right, you will directly enter the video mode from the photo. Holding it and moving it to the left takes us to the bus mode. Now you can change the video quality directly from the camera app by just tapping on the quality above. The green dot above shows us that the iPhone is currently using the camera. Now in the camera app we can control the aperture and depth of the image. If you need more videos like this on iPhone,